Tesla announces major milestone in 4,680 cell ramp at Giga Texas. Tesla has announced a major milestone in the ramp of the 4,680 battery cell at Giga Texas, confirming it has produced 10 million cells at the plant. Tesla has been building 4,680 cells for several years after unveiling the tech behind the battery in late 2020. Initially starting production at the Cato Road facility in Northern California near the Fremont factory. Tesla expanded 4,680 manufacturing the Gigafactory Texas after vehicle production began, and has been using the batteries in the all-wheel drive Model Y. Tesla has been selling these Model Ys for over a year now, and the ramp-up of 4,680 tech has continued. After aiming to begin production of 4,680 cells in Q3 2022, Tesla has evidently ramped the manufacturing of the battery up considerably, announcing it has built 10 million cells in Texas earlier today. The 10 million cells produced are enough to build roughly 12,000 Model Y vehicles. Outside of Texas, Tesla is hoping to continue ramping up 4,680 production to supplement vehicles that will be fitted with those packs. In Fremont, California, Tesla just leased a massive 210,000 square foot facility that will be used for 4,680 manufacturing, helping to get more cars with the breakthrough battery tech on the road. Tesla looks to expand 4,680 cell production with new Fremont facility last year. CEO Elon Musk said 4,680 would be an important part of Tesla's plans in 2023. Evidently, ramping up production of the cells and getting more 4,680 packs into the company's electric vehicles is a goal moving forward. And hopefully Tesla can reach a point where they are not limited with how many vehicles they can build, as cell constraints have been an industry-wide issue for years. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at Teslarati.